Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes and
And hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use this lush Afro kinky twist hair to achieve the style you saw at the very beginning. These are the tools plus the crochet that I'll be using for this style. Now I'm going to go ahead to cut that in half and pull that like so, just to even out the end, and that's that for prepping of the hair. Now once I am done with this, I'm just going to move ahead to start sectioning my hair. Now let me tell you guys something about this hairstyle. I did get a lot of questions. People actually thought that I bought the hair as it is on my head and use some crochet to attach that, but no. And the beauty of the style is that the older it gets, the more beautiful and natural it actually looks. So you don't have to bother about the hair getting really old and becoming terrible. No, it's going to look more natural, as though it's coming out from your head. It's not every time mini twist, mini twist, mini twist. So walk with me, let me show you how to achieve something different and beautiful for the holiday season. So as you can see, I'm sectioning, I'm braiding halfway and then twisting the rest. You can braid all the way. It's just easier for me to take that down. Guys, look at that grace. They are popping, but I guess it's fine. That's fine. So once I am done with the back, I'm just gonna do the exact same thing for the front section, and then we can get into the actual hairstyle. Now for each section of hair, I'm going to separate the kinky hair in half and use half of it for each section. Now with the crochet, I'm going to attach that to the root of my hair, and I'm going to wrap about 2 to 3 times and then transition into twist. Guys, pay attention. The twist I'm doing here is quite loose. I start out with a tight twist, not really tight, a normal one, and then transition into full-on loose twist, like super loose. That is the only way that you can achieve this, because it's going to lack that definition, that twist definition, and it's going to fluff it out and make it look as though if it's a locks. When you get to the end, you make the twist tight again to secure that, and then you're gonna roll this up with your hands. You're just gonna roll it and roll it up, just to smoothing things out. And that's about that, guys. This is so easy, this is simple, this is quick, and look how that looks, as though it's growing out from my head. It just blends so perfectly well with my natural hair. The texture is just giving natural hair. So yeah. So guys, something that I failed to show you guys at the back is that as I twist this, I try to hide my natural hair, the one that I braided, inside one of the strand of the kinky twist, so that that way it doesn't poke out at all. Because I'm doing a loose twist, so I just pay attention to make sure that the hair is properly hidden inside the twist. And now that we have come to this point, hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izunyi, and if you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. On here I just show you how to slay on a budget. You can make affordable hairstyle, like how to do it by yourself, on yourself. On here we don't break the bank to look good. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Comment down below for questions or any engagement whatsoever, and I'll be there to reply your comment. And for my oldies, you're welcome back. You know how we roll, so watch this tutorial to the end, because there is one extra tip I am going to show you on how to make this hair really look beautiful. Now that I am done with the entire head, this looks standing. It's not relaxing, it's not flowing the way that I want, and I'm gonna dip that in some hot water. Guys, yeah, you heard me right, hot water. That's the extra tip I was talking about, and I ended up doing that off camera, and this is what it looks like once dipped in some hot water. You can see that it is way more flowy, is way more relaxed, and it didn't affect the texture the way you would think that it would. So yeah, I'm just going to apply some mousse, let my edges, and spray some sheen spray, and that's about that. You can travel, you can swim, you can do any and everything with this hair and you're still good. And this is the finished result you get with this. Yeah guys, look at that. That is so beautiful. Like, that is so natural, so different. I did get a lot of questions where I bought this so that they can get theirs and install it, but it was a little bit difficult to explain. And I think it will even look better if you make yours smaller or tinier. I just don't have that luxury. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Have an amazing holiday season. Don't forget to slay. Bye guys.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just want